Watch this video and learn how to draw a Squishmallow Octopus. Later in the show, Bunny Fluffington has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie take a potty break. Ew! Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, and welcome to Artie's show. Yay! What are we going to draw today?
Well, today, Artie, we're going to draw a Squishmallow Octopus.
Wow! Ooh, yeah, I can't wait! Yeah.
Greetings, little artist!
What's up, little artists?
Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah.
Ready to draw an octopus?
Okay, let's begin with a grin.
A poem.
Okay, all right, let's start.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing our octopus's left eye. We'll draw a circle in the middle of the page, but towards the left side. That's it, Artie. And then inside that circle, let's draw two much smaller circles. One at the top on the left and one at the bottom on the right. Oh, it looks like a little face with two little eyes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now, Artie, shade the whole circle in black, but remember to leave the two smaller circles white. That's it. Take your time, no need to rush. Let's be neat and tidy. Don't go outside the line. That's it. Half done. Little bit more. It's very important when doing art to be patient.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thanks, Barry. Okay, Artie, it's time to draw the right eye. Let's do another circle. Try and make it about the same size as the first one. And then remember the two smaller circles. That's it. One at the top on the left side and one at the bottom on the right side. And then the fun part, let's shade it in nice and black. You're doing a great job, Artie. I wish Bunny was here, though, to give some advice. Oh, here she comes. Hi, Bunny.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi! Wow! Your drawings are creative as a bunny in a carrot patch. Bye for now, Artie, and don't forget to save me a spot in your next drawing.
Okay.
Okay, bye!
Bye.
I wonder what Bunny's carrot patch looks like, Artie.
Yeah, I don't know.
I expect it's full of carrots. Bunny loves carrots.
Yeah.
Now, Artie, let's draw a little mouth. Just a simple half-circle smiley mouth. Make it a little bit thicker. And that's it. That's all you need. Now let's draw some eyebrows above the eyes. Just a little sideways triangle shaded in black. One over the left and one over the right.
Oh, let's have a dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
please.
Okay.
Dance break! Yay! Woohoo!
Clap along, little artists!
I've never seen that move before.
Oh, sorry. Well, beautiful. Just beautiful. 10, of course. 10.
That's great, that's great, that's great, that's great.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
And Bunny did great.
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Should we carry on?
Oh, yeah,
Come on then.
okay.
Well, we have our octopus's little face, eyes, mouth and eyebrows. Now let's draw his or her head. A nice big half circle all the way around the face. Later on, Artie takes a potty break. Ooh! That's it, Artie. Continue all the way around the top of the head. That's it. A little bit more round. Come down the side. And then come all the way down the right side of the face. That's it. And stop at the same spot as you did on the left. Very good. Now let's curve under at the bottom on the right side. And do the same on the left side, Artie. That's it. Curve round.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
An octopus.
I'm not sure yet.
Guys, I just said it's going to be an octopus. You'll see in a minute when it's finished. Okay, that's the body finished, Artie. Now let's draw a chest. We're going to do a big sort of upside down half oval shape or ellipse shape. That's it, Artie. Oh, yes. Now our octopus has a little tummy.
Oh, Artie needs potty break.
Oh, you need a potty break?
Yeah.
Well, that's okay. You can have one.
Potty break, potty break.
Go on then, run along.
Okay, Artie better now.
You feel better?
Yeah,
Good boy.
Artie have potty break, potty break.
Okay, come on, let's
Okay.
finish the drawing. Okay, let's give our octopus some tentacles. We'll draw little U-shapes, getting bigger as they go around.
What's a tentacle?
Oh, sorry, Artie. A tentacle is sort of like the arms and legs of an octopus. They help him or her swim around the ocean.
Wow, Artie, what a drawing! It's really singing to me. Sing away, it's singing to me. Okay.
Thank you, Barry. Thank you. We'll see you later. Okay, let's finish the tentacles, Artie. Oh, this octopus is looking super cute. Now all squishmallows have a lovely little heart shape on the bottom right side. That's it, Artie. Now it's a Squishmallow Octopus. I think you're finished.
I finished.
Awesome work, Artie.
Yeah. I want to color it in.
Of course we can.
Yeah.
Let's colour it in.
Okay. Yeah.
It's coloring time!
Artie's finished.
Wonderful work, Artie. Really good job. Well done.
Really good.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
Don't you want to cuddle with him?
No. Wow.
Are you pleased with how it turned out?
Yeah. Artie's very pleased.
Oh, good.
Goodbye, Artie!
See you later, Artie.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses!
Oh boy, that was fun. So much fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.